Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to find referral code in Bitget. Alright, let's begin. First of all, you have to launch your Bitget app and then log into your account. On the home page, you are going to see various options like reward, pre-market, etc. So, among these options, you will have to tap on rewards. Once done, you will land on this rewards page where you are going to see the points that you have claimed along with the invite friends option. So if you tap on invite friends, you will be able to see your referral link in the bottom. If you tap on the invite button in the bottom, then you are going to see your referral code. So you can just copy this referral code and share it with your friends. If you want to share the link, you can copy the link, or you can use any of the social media applications and then directly share your referral code. So that's basically how you can find referral code in Bitget. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.